Hi everyone, this is Helen, the younger sister from 3 years apart, and today I have compiled an entire list of 10 things or more to give to your Harry Potter planner friends, or just your friends in general. So the first is, of course, the no-brainer, the Harry Potter series itself. You would be surprised how many people don't actually own the book or the entire series, such as myself, because I actually didn't have the entire series until about a year or two ago. I've always borrowed from the library. Now, of course, you could also do the books. Oh, I'm sorry. After the books, you could always do the movies. That's a great way to introduce someone to the Harry Potter franchise. Now, after that, there's always Fantastic Beasts and all these other cool books like The Tales of Beedle and Bard. One of my favorite things to give to people who have been fans for a long time are the books that go in depth into the details of the films and even things that weren't in the films, like the Wand collection book. I think it's super interesting because they go down in depth into each design for each single wizard and witch, which is really cool, and that just matches the entire magical world itself. Now, the Harry Potter A Journey Through a History of Magic was gifted to Amy, and as you can see, has so many cool little designs and artwork. There's even a picture of Peeves the Poltergeist. There's even a little section for the Voldemort's red eyes that aren't in the films. Up next, with a good book, you need a good beverage, and a good beverage needs a cute little mug. So we found the 9 3/4 mug at Target, as well as actually no, we got the cauldron mug we thrifted it, but I have found some online. Now, of course, this is Stationery Addicts channel, so we of course have to include our stickers from our shop 3 years apart. So as you can see, we did a new zine. It's a sticker book zine, so the Fantastic Beasts or the Magical Beasts themselves are stickers, but you can always flip through it like a zine. And if you don't want the zine, then we also provide the creatures in sticker flakes. And for those of you who like to color in your own stickers or just want to give it to someone who likes to create their own version of the character, we sell them in black and white as well. Of course, we have the traditional sticker sheet version of the Fantastic Beasts in the first movie, of course, since the new ones just really came out. And I'm just showing you now a few of our other Harry Potter inspired stickers, like not the characters, but these are character style stickers, which you can customize and personalize by choosing the hair color, skin, and eyes, and then more functional items such as those. And of course, I have to support fellow planner shops such as Paper Dolls Co. with these cute little die cuts. I don't have Slytherin just because I don't have a Slytherin planner friend to give it to. And then Kina Prince with her little character versions of Ron, Hermione, and Dumbledore. Those penguins, those so adorable. It's from Paper Kumiko. And of course, you can get stickers from non-Etsy planner shops like that. Is from Paper House Productions, and some enamel stickers. You can also get decals, so you can decorate more than just paper products like the walls, or even there's vinyl decals that you can put on other supplies and gadgets, which is really fun. I got the gadget decals from Target, but I do have a blog post correlating with this entire list that will have all of the links, all of the detailed links to every product that I show for you in this video. There is the Gryffindor crest missing because I I already used it for a previous project and I gave it away, so that's why that's missing if you're curious at all. Along with the stationery line, we're doing journals, and this is not all of the Harry Potter journals that we own, but that is, I mean, if I showed you every single Harry Potter item we have, we'd be here forever. So the pocket journals have the same layout. There's this back pocket, lined pages, and then there's always a fold-out info fold-out for that matches with the cover of the pocket journal. One of my other favorite stationery items is washi tape. So this washi tape I'm pulling out is actually from Asia, but you can find it in various Etsy shops and things like that. Now the rest of the washi tape that I'm pulling out here, as well as that's in the dish, is from Paper House Studios. Of course, links are also in the blog post. Now on to planner stuff. I mean, we're already into planner stuff, but this is specifically planner charms, but you can also put the charms on other things. So this bow is from Lizzie Beth Bows, and it was handmade. Not only handmade, but it was hand dyed and hand painted, which is really, really unique, and I really appreciate all the artists and crafters' creative things. So the castle and that charm that showed you, as well as the next charm, is from Mer's Charm. She has a specific section for Harry Potter charms, and I think that is really handy for when I'm looking for Harry Potter specific things. And we can't forget about paper clips. These next few ones are just dainty little ones, which is a nice contrast to the bigger items, and the ones that I just barely showed you are from Pocket Full of Joy, I believe, on Etsy. These little enamel chibis are super adorable. She has them in other characters, I think 5 characters in total, and I will get them all someday. There's always one that's sold out when I'm ready to purchase. This is also from Lizzie Beth Bows. These adorable bow paper clips are from Bloomy Crafts. She has her own website. And that Dumbledore's Army badge, or token, is that what it's called? Is not adjustable. You can change the paper clip so it's sideways. So the last few paper clips are from Kids Axel Accessories too. I'm sorry, Axel Kids Accessories on Etsy. What's really, really magical though is having a wax seal, because that makes you feel like you're actually doing a magical thing, like you're writing a letter and stamping it and everything. So this is from Mold World on Etsy. Now they have multiple Hogwarts crest designs, and not only Hogwarts crest, but each of the houses as well. So I got some wax seal pellets, as well as sticks and a convenient spoon to give you more of a controlled, to have more control when you're pouring the wax onto your item. So this is actually my very first time using it. I'm going to be putting the wax seal on my traveler's notebook from Freshly Stitched. I had this one for a long time, but I just never got around to doing it. I was kind of afraid, to be honest. So as you can see, I'm pouring it straight on and stamping it. Now this is my very first time, like I said, and I didn't do as much research as I did, I feel like. So if I did something wrong, please let me know, or just give me some tips and tricks about wax seals, because if you go on Instagram and type wax seals, man, some people are so creative. but you saw the final result and it was really, really cool and really authentic, so you can make all kinds of crafts with that wax seal. So this desktop organizer is actually a DIY from Lauren Fairweather. She has her own YouTube video on it, and it's super easy, it's super simple. I just showed you some stationery items that I would put in there. I actually did make this myself to give to Amy. I painted it blue because she is a Ravenclaw. As you can see, the materials boxes I used hold so much, and honestly, it's one of the cutest things I've ever made. I'm super proud of it. Now, some people don't like Funko Pops, but I love it. I am fully on that train. I just showed you 2 Funko Pops, Harry Potter Funko Pops of my Harry Potter Funko Pop collection, because I thought it matched quite well. Now, up next is jewelry, which is Amy's favorite section. No joke. Amy has the largest Harry Potter collection of the 3 of us sisters. So that was the Elder Wand necklace. This is a really bedazzled earring set. I love the Deathly Hallows on that. And these are from Hot Topic. I think all of this is from Hot Topic. Another earring set. And then this is a Luna Lovegood necklace set. Ravenclaw set. Again, we have a lot more of Harry Potter jewelry, but I thought I would just show you a few things so you get the idea. Now, of course, you need everything to put all of your cute Harry Potter things inside, which is bags. So this is a giant tote, but it's really handy. I have used this a couple times, and it's so cool because it has like a checklist for all the things you need, all the supplies you need for your school year at Harry Potter. But of course, you don't have to buy these fancy licensed bags yourself. I made these bags, the Ministry of Magic, as well as a Hufflepuff bag with just simple iron-on patches. I didn't iron on these ones on the bags because I didn't think the faux leather could take it. I just simply glued it on with E6000. So there's of course the little wallets to pair with your Harry Potter bag. These adorable ones are from Box Lunch, I believe. Now, can't forget about repping Hogwarts houses and Hogwarts in general by wearing some apparel. So this is a windbreaker and a very cool design, I think. And then of course this raglan, the sweatshirt, baseball tee style sweatshirt. My favorite is my personal favorite, is the Hufflepuff cardigan, because I am a Hufflepuff, but you can do the Hufflepuff cardigan or the sweater. And my favorite thing about it is I feel like I'm a Hogwarts student myself. Can't forget about the beanies though. So that is everything I have for you. I hope you enjoyed, and have a lovely day, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!